Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup with a blender. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget vegetable broth, a splash of olive oil, and seasonings like salt, pepper, and fresh basil. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and cook until it's translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, toss in the minced garlic and cook for another 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in your chopped tomatoes and about 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and cook for 20 minutes. Once your soup has simmered, it's time for the magic of the blender. Carefully transfer the hot mixture into your blender. If you have a smaller blender, work in batches to avoid overfilling. Secure the lid tightly, perhaps leaving a small vent for steam, and blend until the soup is wonderfully smooth and creamy. This step truly transforms the ingredients into a luxurious texture. Finally, pour your blended soup back into the pot to reheat gently. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or pepper as needed. You can also stir in a touch of cream or a pinch of sugar if you like. Serve hot, garnished with fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade tomato soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.